Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you where to find this device's MAC address. First, open the Start menu and start looking for CMD. Once you see this application, run it as administrator and click Yes. In this field, input IPConfig /all, and in front of you you can see the list of all network adapters installed in your PC. As you can see, most of them are disconnected, but each of them has its own MAC address. Physical address is basically a different name for MAC address. And if you want to see the active MAC address, look for the network adapter that is not disconnected. For me, it's wireless adapter since I'm using Wi-Fi. And this is the active MAC address that my laptop is using. You can also see Bluetooth MAC address at the bottom of the list. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.